everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So as you know, we all use Character.AI to chat with our favorite characters. And it's pretty fun, not gonna lie. But I get very sad when Character.AI filters all the messages just because I wanted to do some spicy role plays with my characters. It's really annoying. So that's why I recently found a pretty awesome Character.AI alternative that is absolutely free to use, and which also has no filters on it too. Yeah. And this platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform, and a lot of people loves it. I made a whole video about it previously, and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your role plays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? You all can start using StoryChat by creating an account here. Make sure to use my code aiplo to get lots of story points too. It will help you in using the premium models on the platform. Also, let me tell you about a new update that was just released by StoryChat. It's actually pretty interesting too. StoryChat has just now released series on their platform too. Yeah, well, with the help of the new series features, users will be able to make very interesting stories with their AI chats. Yeah. Series is like a collection of your AI chats that tells a whole story. With the series feature, you can put together your AI chats with your characters in the form of episodes. You can order the chats however you like in the form of a story. After that, you can publish your series for the whole world too. Yeah, all the users on StoryChat will be able to see your published series. They will be able to go inside your series and see all the episodes that you have put inside the series in the form of episodes. And they can sit back, relax, and enjoy reading the AI chats. People will also be able to like and comment on your series too. This is how the new series feature works. Similarly, you will be able to watch many different series shared by various people on StoryChat from now onwards too. You will find tons of series on their homepage. This is really a very interesting feature, not gonna lie. To make your own series, you simply have to go to the menu and then you have to click on the Create button here. After that, you will see the series section right here. Just click on the Create button and then you will come to the series creation interface. Here you can write the title and thumbnail of your series, and you can give a description too. You can also select the category, and then you can select whether you want to make it public or private from here. After that, you can add all your chats that you want to put inside the series. You can add as many chats in your series, and then you can adjust their order like this too. After doing everything, you can press the Submit button, and then your series will get created. You will then find your series right here on the Create page. Just click on it and boom. You are now on your series page. This is the page where people will see everything about your whole series. You will see the episodes right here too. And you can just click them and start watching them all you want. And this is how you can make series on StoryChat AI. Now you can watch all the different series that people have created here. And you can make your own series too. This is really a very interesting update, not gonna lie. It makes the AI roleplays so much insane. Also, StoryChat is also holding a contest right now too. For this, you just need to create a character and chat with it. Yup. And the top 3 creators with highest number of chats recorded will get a 1-month free gold subscription, while other places will get story points which you will be able to use to run the premium AI models. So it's a pretty easy and fun contest. This platform is really awesome, not gonna lie. And that is everything that I wanted to tell you all about. What do you think, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.